Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Wyze Sense Hub to a new owner account, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Wyze Sense Hub to a new owner account, start by opening the Wyze app on your device. Log into your account where the Wyze Sense Hub is currently registered. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate and select the Wyze Sense Hub you want to transfer. Once you have selected the hub, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Scroll down and select the Transfer Device option. You will be prompted to enter the new owner's email address. Ensure the email address is correct, as an invitation will be sent to this address. After entering the email, tap Send Invitation. The new owner will receive an email from Wyze to accept the device transfer. The new owner should open the email and click the link provided. They will be prompted to log into their Wyze account or create a new account if they don't have one yet. Once logged in, they should follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer process. After the new owner accepts the transfer, the Wyze Sense Hub will be removed from your account. You will receive a notification confirming that the transfer was successful. The new owner can now access and manage the Wyze Sense Hub through their account. Make sure to inform the new owner about any specific settings or configurations they may need to adjust. If any issues arise during the transfer, consult the Wyze support page for assistance. With these steps completed, the Wyze Sense Hub is successfully transferred to the new owner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.